Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your MetaMask wallet to Pancakeswap. First, you will need to install the MetaMask browser extension or mobile application. Once installed, either create a brand new wallet or securely import an existing one. It is crucial to ensure your wallet is funded with some BNB, which is necessary to cover transaction fees on the Binance Smart Chain. This initial setup is vital for a smooth experience. Next, you need to add the Binance Smart Chain network to your MetaMask wallet. Open MetaMask, click the Network Selection dropdown, and then choose Add Network. You will then input the specific details for the Binance Smart Chain mainnet. Double-check all the information, then confirm the settings to save this new network configuration. This step is essential for interacting with Pancakeswap. Now, let's connect your wallet to Pancakeswap. Open your web browser and go to the official Pancakeswap website. Look for the Connect Wallet button, usually located in the top right corner of the page, and click it. A list of wallet options will appear. Simply select MetaMask. This action will prompt a connection request from your MetaMask extension. Finally, confirm the connection. A MetaMask pop-up will appear, asking for your approval to connect to Pancakeswap. Review the details and click Connect. Once approved, your wallet address will be visible on the Pancakeswap interface, indicating a successful connection. You are now ready to swap tokens, provide liquidity, and participate in various farming opportunities on Pancakeswap.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.